Plant tissue system. To study the structure of complex tissues in plants, xylem and phloem, and their functions. In various parts of plants, such as flowers, leaves and stem, the permanent tissues get modified to form protective tissues. The outermost layer of the stem has epidermal cells that secrete cuticle layer to protect the inner tissue. This epidermis consists of compactly arranged, thin-walled living cells known as parenchyma cells. The cells of parenchyma are generally isodiametric. They also have a large central vacuole. In a section of the stem, we see vascular tissues, which are of two types, xylem and phloem. The xylem is a water-conducting tissue composed of different types of cells. Xylem parenchyma cells are the only living components of xylem. These are present between other components and store food in the form of starch or fat. Tracheids are elongated cells with tapering ends, heavily thickened with lignin, enclosing a large empty lumen. Vessels are tubular cylindrical structures formed by a row of cells placed end to end. The end walls of the cells bear perforation plates to form a continuous channel or a water pipe through which water and salts are transported to different parts of the shoot. They also have lignified walls. The phloem is a food-conducting tissue composed of different types of cells. Sieve tube elements are thin-walled elongated cells placed end to end to form tubular structures called sieve tubes. The transverse end walls have pores and form a sieve plate, through which fluid content of one sieve tube element is continuous with fluid of another sieve tube element. This arrangement of sieve tube elements facilitates the formation of a continuous channel. The nucleus is absent in mature sieve tube elements. The sieve tubes translocate food materials from leaves to other parts. Companion cells are small cells associated with the sieve tube elements. Each cell is found to contain a dense cytoplasm and a large elongated nucleus. Since sieve tube cells lack a nucleus, its metabolic activities are performed by the companion cells lying adjacent to them. The xylem and the phloem together constitute the vascular bundles. Recap. A quick recap tells us about the vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. The xylem consists of different types of cells. Xylem parenchyma, tracheids and vessel members. The phloem consists of sieve tube elements and companion cells.